swear winter is just like so not good for your skin. Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video I'm going to be changing up my hairstyle a little bit. I'm in the third week of having these braids, so I've decided to change up the length a little bit. I'm going to try cutting them myself. I sort of want to cut it kind of blunt and hopefully they'll turn out looking okay. So yeah, I sort of just wanted to be like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it and show you the process. If you're doing it too, you'll need scissors, preferably like hair scissors. And then I've just got a little bag of clear elastic bands in there. I don't know if you can see them, but so what I'm going to do is just tie the elastic bands roughly at the length that I want my braids to be. I'm going to tie them quite tightly so that they don't come unraveled, and I'm just going to cut a little bit off the end after the elastic band. Let's do it. Got a few clear bands here. I actually wanted to do this when I first did my hair, but then I was like, I like the length and I kind of want to keep it this way. Even now I'm looking at it like, what am I doing? But I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go ahead with it and just see how it turns out, because I might actually end up really liking it and it will probably make me want to keep these for a bit longer. I feel like a change of style, a change of scenery is necessary. So I'm just gonna tie off the first one. I don't want the hairstyle to be too short because I feel like that just might not suit me. So what I'm gonna do is do like 2 pigtails to roughly estimate where I want to cut it, and I'd like a sort of long bob style. Yeah, I think that will be quite cute actually right there, so that's where I'm going to do it. But yeah, I've seen this length before and I wasn't sure that I would be able to recreate it. I wasn't too sure that I'd be able to recreate it. I haven't been able to find someone who can braid it to be that length, so I wanted to just try this out and see how it goes. I can only imagine how it feels to get a legit haircut on your own hair. So that's roughly the length that I want my hair to be. I don't know if you can see, like just about here. Just gonna sort of start here and take my first elastic band and tie it around. Okay, just thought if I just tie off each individual end and then cut it, you know, it'll be okay. Making sure it's as tightly tied as possible without snapping the elastic. That is the first one, and I'm going to go around. I don't know if you can even see that, but I'm going to go around and do the rest. Next one goes here. Okay, so guys, this is going to be a bit of a long process, so I'm just going to go and tie them all off and come back when this side is done. Okay, so it's getting a little bit dark now, but I just wanted to show you the difference in length and what I was going for. I've just gone and tied off the ends. There's some bits that I still need to trim, but this is generally what I wanted to achieve. Right now in this third week it just feels a lot better to me because it's like a fresh take on my braids. So I've been really meaning to change it up and I just thought, you know what, I'm just going to do it. Light doesn't pick up or doesn't stay up by the time I'm done with this side. I'll just do a quick update at the end of this video and show you what it looks like. If I don't see you then, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the end result, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Share this video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoy, and stay tuned for next time. I just wanted to show you how I've been cutting it, so I'm just going to cut the rest of them. So I cut it longer than I want it, just a little bit, and it sort of bounces up a little to meet the rest of them. I'm really happy with the way it's turning out. So I'm just going to trim the rest of these and then I'm going to show you properly. Also, you can probably see that some of the elastic bands are still quite high up in the braid. That's just because when I was putting them in, the braids moved around and I sort of wanted a layered look, but then I decided actually no, where I've put them would be too short. So I've just cut them a bit longer than I actually anticipated at first. But that is absolutely fine. I do really like the length and I prefer it to, I think I prefer it to the shorter length I wanted before. I'm just going to try and even it out a little bit more because I want it to be more bluntly cut. As blunt as possible without being too short. So it's not perfect, but I love it. I love the length, I love the way it looks. I'm really happy with this and this is what it looks like. that was just a bit of a YOLO moment, and I'm really enjoying this look, so I'll keep it for like, hopefully it will last another good couple weeks, maybe another 3 weeks. That would be ace. Thank you again for watching. Sorry about the darkness, the gloom and the grain. Thanks for sticking around to the end, and I'll see you in my next video.